Hey YouTube, Doug here from Besse Custom Fab. How's it going? It's been a while. I bet you're wondering what this mess is. What kind of hokey shit is that? Stick around, I'll tell you what it is. Okay, well, that is a grinder that I got a bunch of pieces of 1/4-inch round bar that I want to cut. It's pretty small, and yeah, I could cut it with the zip cut, put it in the vise and measure each one, but I just decided to build this. I can slide my piece till it reaches there. Okay, that's 2 inches, and then just cut it. It's pretty simple, but to get there, don't worry about what this is. Yeah, it works. I just found a M12 bolt that I had. It was actually out of my tow hook on my 08 Silverado, and it just happened to be the right size. I took those off anyway. So I shortened the bolt and I bolted it to the handle port on the grinder like this, and clamped that piece of tube to the table, and it works surprisingly well. So let's turn it on and see what happens. And then, of course, trigger lock. Don't ever use the trigger lock when you're not holding the grinder. So like this. Don't do that. And you will end up with identical pieces every time. It took me a while to do this, and it's unsafe, but I don't know, I just feel like it goes quicker with 2 hands too. That was a little bit slow because I was trying to film it, but yeah, I feel like it's really safe because this thing is like, when I click it on, it doesn't even wiggle at all. So and then I could adjust this, and this is all just temporary. Everything's clamped together with Besse clamps and vice grip clamps and vice grips. So just a little bit safer than clamping the grinder in a vise, because believe me, I've never done that either, and it's safe as hell. So don't do that either, but this is better because it's actually bolted to something. So good luck with that. Don't do that. Besse Custom Fab. Rock and roll.